Okay, so welcome back. I have some great news. So on Monday, I started my first day as a substance abuse counselor with Tandem Behavioral Health. I had the great honor of attending and assisting in their grand opening of their residential crisis stabilization facility, which has become the first privately owned, family-owned crisis stabilization facility in our area. So it was really big. The senator was there, the mayor was there, a member of the House of Delegates was there, police officers were there, CPS workers, hospital officials. I mean, it was a full house. And it was so nice to be a part of that. On the same day, I was given this gift. Look at how nicely it's packaged. And I've been holding on to it for a couple days because I want to unbox on camera. So the first part of the gift is the card. Thank you, Tandem. It says, "Welcome to the team. Welcome to the Tandem team. We are so glad to have you. Please enjoy your welcome gift." And that's from Lakeisha Swain. Lakeisha is awesome. She is the founder and CEO of Tandem Behavioral Health, and her story tells about how she started initially as a telehealth provider, and her business and her entrepreneurship grew. She has the facility that I work for, providing intensive outpatient as well as partial hospitalization therapies to treat substance use. So thank you, Lakeisha, and thank you, Tandem. And so let's get into this box. The reason why I had to wait to open the box, I'm also in a meeting for some insurance stuff that I'm doing, because I'm multitasking here, but it's towards the end of the meeting. I was getting a little bored, and I was sitting beside my phone, and I was like, now is a good time to unbox this. Let's get it. Okay, you can see it a little bit. Unbox this. Let's take the box off. Oh, wow. Look at that. This is so nice. I love this. This would be awesome for some ice cold water, some tea, perhaps. Tea. Oh my goodness. This is so nice. Let me smell it. It is the Secret Garden Organic Lemon Ginger Green Tea. Smell it. I love to smell tea. I'm trying to be present when my ADHD was just doing the most for me. I was like, I want to do something else. Oh, it smells so good. Lemon. Hopefully they don't find out. Some sour gummies. Sour gummies, yum. Hallmark. Okay, and here is a cool sticker. This card, it says, "I find beauty in the simple moments around me." A nice reminder. Yes. Ah, a Tandem keychain. On the back it says, "Progress, not perfection." Okay, that was really sweet. All right. Thank you, Tandem, for this nice and well thought out gift. And that was my unboxing.